What's up, blockheads? In the garage today, working on the FXDR, continuing with Project Do Away with Orange. Should I call it that? Is there something better that we can call it? Project Orange. You glad I didn't say banana? No, it doesn't work. Project, I don't know, you guys come up with a catchy orange pun so we can call it that. I'm drawing a blank. I usually don't do that. Project Orange Sucks. Project Orange Juice. No, I don't know. Anyways, what we're doing today, removing this timer cover. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right, step one, find a new timer cover. I ordered this one from Harley-Davidson. It's packaged very well. See, it's totally an OEM Harley-Davidson timer cover. See, M8, brah, that means Milwaukee 8. Harley-Davidson timer cover. Looks like they seem to have messed that up and then they just corrected it. Here's what we got. Timer cover, gloss black. Timer cover, gloss black. Genuine motor Harley-Davidson cycles, motor accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see what it looks like. Very nice, nicely insulated. Huh. There it is. Very well packaged. Dang, really? Directions. Timer cover. Hardware. Timer cover. Really, guy? Get out of here. Get out of here, you little flyer thing. We need some Torx bits. Right here. Torx bits. I'm gonna guess a T20. If I'm right, then hit the like button. If I'm wrong, hit the like button. I'm the truth. Oh, I was right. Use Torx bit. Undo. Screws. Needing those pliers. Get cover. New hardware. As you can see, already has pre-done Loctite on it. And as you can see, that is a fake timer cover. It's just for decoration, but it's orange. So we're doing away with it. New timer cover. So these are Torx bits, but they're really tiny Torx bits. Take some cleaner, give it a little spray on a nice soft microfiber cloth. Give it a little wipe, dry it off. Ta-da! Congratulations, you now have no more orange timer cover. Orange bad, black good. Hope you guys enjoyed the how-to video. I also hope you have a sense of humor, because obviously this doesn't even need a how-to video. Pretty easy stuff. 2 screws, replace cover, 2 screws. Don't over tighten or strip them. Easy stuff. It even comes pre-Loctited for you, so you're good to go. I appreciate the orange Harley-Davidson, but I gotta do away with it, because not a fan. So we are one step closer. Did away with the orange plug wires, now black plug wires. Did away with the orange timer cover, black timer cover. So we're getting there. The hardest parts are going to be orange on the wheels, front and rear, and the orange on the tank. Ooh. Anyways, we'll get there. Like I said, hope you guys have a sense of humor. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Hit that share button if you guys have friends out there that enjoy motorcycle content. Until next time, you guys, ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. No idea why the packaging is so big. Better safe than sorry. Deuces.